Imagine owning a 1962 Vespa that still turns heads, or a rare 1966 Grump with a Triumph engine swap. From vintage scooters to classic trail bikes, these 10 timeless motorcycles are full of surprises, and one could be your next unforgettable ride. Don't blink. Number 1. 1962 Vespa 50 2500. This vintage red 1962 Vespa 150 brings classic Italian style and timeless charm for just $2,500. With just over 25,000 miles, it's been garage kept and remains registered through May 2026. The scooter runs reliably and features a clever electrical modification that eliminates the need for a battery. While it has minor cosmetic imperfections, a cracked front fender, and some light rust, it still makes a strong impression on the road. Included in the sale are 2 bell helmets and a motorcycle hitch, adding extra value. Located in Costa Mesa, California, this head-turning Vespa is ready for weekend cruises or vintage rallies. Number 2. 1966 Grump, $4,500. A rare and intriguing hybrid, this 1966 Grump blends British engineering in a way few bikes do. Powered by a Triumph 500 engine conversion, it's a vintage custom with both character and mechanical reliability. The bike starts easily and runs strong, making it more than just a conversation piece. It's being sold on behalf of a friend and comes with a bill of sale only. Located in San Francisco, California, this unique machine stands out in any garage. For collectors or riders looking for something truly different, this Grump is a one-of-a-kind opportunity. Number 3. 1969 Honda CT90 1750. Here's a Restamod trail bike that blends classic looks with modern upgrades. This 1969 Honda CT90 has been fully rebuilt and now features a semi-automatic 125cc engine, giving it more power while retaining its easygoing charm. It sports a custom seat, fresh paint, and LED lighting, making it both stylish and functional. The bike kicks over with ease and is a blast for cruising around town. Though it hasn't been registered yet, it's ready for the next rider to enjoy. Located in Cotati, California, this vintage mini bike is ready to ride and turn heads wherever it goes. Number 4. 1967 Kawasaki C2TR Roadrunner, $3,995. A true vintage dual sport gem, this 1967 Kawasaki C2TR Roadrunner offers timeless appeal with just over 9,000 miles on the odometer. It features new tires, a recent oil change, and a brand new clutch, ensuring it's in great mechanical shape. This classic has excellent street presence and runs strong, making it a fine representation of early motorcycle craftsmanship. Whether you're a collector looking to expand your lineup or a weekend rider who appreciates nostalgic style, this bike fits the bill. Located in Seattle, Washington, it's ready to deliver both charm and performance on every ride. Number 5. 1968 Honda CL350 to $1,400. Here's a great parts bike or restoration project for any Honda enthusiast. This 1968 Honda CL350 is mostly complete and has already had some key maintenance done, including a cleaned carburetor, valve adjustment, and new spark plugs. While it's missing the airboxes, air filters, and battery, the core structure remains solid, making it a strong platform for a full rebuild or custom build. Whether you're aiming to restore it to factory specs or craft something unique, it offers plenty of potential. Located in Eugene, Oregon, and offered without a title, this is a solid start for your next garage project. Number 6. 1951 Triumph 6T Bobber, $5,000. A stunning rigid frame bobber build. This 1951 Triumph 500 Thunderbird Custom is a striking blend of style and heritage. With less than 2 hours on a full rebuild, it's fresh, fast, and built to impress. This local show winner stands out with vintage lines and classic British performance. The bike is currently on a 1-year title wait, but all the necessary paperwork is in order. Located in Port Townsend, Washington, this bike sits at the top of our price range and offers serious charm for collectors and enthusiasts alike. It's not just a motorcycle, it's rolling hot rod history. Number 7. 1968 Honda CL90, $3,500. This classic blue 1968 Honda CL90 is in nearly show quality condition and has been lovingly owned for over 15 years. Always stored indoors, the bike starts, runs, and rides flawlessly, reflecting careful maintenance. It is currently registered in California as non-operational, making it ready for a new owner to bring it back to daily use or keep it as a collector's gem. Located in Santa Clarita, California, this pristine Honda CL90 is a rare survivor that combines authenticity with timeless style, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a reliable vintage motorcycle. Number 8. 1964 Vespa Super150, $3,500. This beautifully restored 1964 Vespa Super150 has only 20 miles since its complete rebuild. Although it has been stored for some time and may require a quick refresh, the scooter remains incredibly clean and well maintained. It comes with a California title, ensuring smooth ownership transfer. Located in Murrieta, California, this classic Vespa is ready to zip through town, offering vintage style and charm. Perfect for enthusiasts looking for a stylish and reliable ride, it combines timeless design with practical fun for city cruising. Number 9. 1967 BSA Lightning, $3,500. This iconic British twin-cylinder classic, the 1967 BSA Lightning, features a powerful 650cc engine and runs well. It comes with a clean title and has had some thoughtful upgrades, including new clutch plates and a sealed fuel tank. While it does need minor attention, such as a carburetor cleaning and a timing cover gasket replacement, it remains a solid and reliable vintage motorcycle. Located in Springdale, Arkansas, this BSA Lightning is a great choice for collectors or riders seeking a classic British bike with plenty of character and riding potential. Number 10. 1969 Honda Trail 90 to $900. Here's a great opportunity to own a classic black 1969 Honda Trail 90, priced affordably at $900. This bike features a rebuilt motor, new brakes, and fresh tires, ensuring it runs strong across all gears. It's capable of handling steep inclines even with a larger rider aboard, making it a reliable and fun trail machine. Located in Mission Viejo, California, the bike comes with no paperwork but offers excellent value for those seeking a capable vintage trail bike ready for adventure. That's it for today's lineup, Moto Market Explorers. If any of these bikes caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Remember, these deals won't last long, so act fast if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.